gonna be setting up the
You're so cute.
By the way, I'm setting up all the tents, so nobody cares about me.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, honey.
You can have Tommy back. Hi, Maddie. Wow.
Should we park the car somewhere else?
I'll do it.
Oh, God, Maddie, no.
Wait, how does Chelsea know
Maddie's
how to
right
drive?
there.
Wait, how does Chelsea know how to drive?
Hey,
guys.
Ooh.
Oh, so here's our tents right over here.
Chelsea, get out of the car.
Can I mention what tents we got? We got Haley, point the camera around. We got a dog band tent. We got a My Little Pony tent, chapter book. We got Fancy Nancy. And we also got a Judy Booty.
Which is setting it up here. Make sure my pants don't fall down.
Okay, Dad.
Hi, Maddie.
And the girls are with Mom. Mom, we'll give you a cheek on the kiss.
Cheek on the kiss.
Well, a kiss on the cheek. I love you, Mom.
I don't want nobody touching my cheeks.
Mom, I'm your daughter. Your 16-year-old daughter.
So, who cares how old you are? I don't want nobody touching my booty cheeks.
Let me get inside my tent, which is the one Dad's trying to set up. Which is the one Dad's trying to set up, but he can't.
Hey, it's confusing. Mind brain thing.
Dad, you're gonna take hours to set that thing up.
Fine, I'll set it up now.
I've been waiting all this day for you to set it up.
I've been using this for an hour. Don't judge me.
I had to. 'Cause your butt's so round.
It's a good thing.
No, it's not. It's a bad thing.
If you want me to set it up, stop bothering me.
Set it up! Set it up.
Should I?
Set it up.
You're old enough to
Set it up.
Oh, gosh.
Bye-bye, guys.
It's not even over.
Oh, I thought it was. Just set up my tent.
I'm trying there.
I know, but it's hard.
I only got one hand.
So, do you guys like this video so far? I hope you do.
It's annoying.
No, it's not. Just because
It
you're in
is.
it.
You're welcome for your tent.
Why is Mom back there with the camera?
Because
It's creepy. She's not even moving. Dad, I scared you? Pretend I scared him on the
Hey, what's
camera.
up,
He was
guys?
watching the camera. And I scared him on the camera. He's gonna watch the cameras. Aw, nobody really cares about me.
Hey,
let me
Sammy.
put Let me put-
Sammy. Want to take a selfie? Dad, you're embarrassing me. I thought we couldn't have electronics in the forest.
And
Oh,
it
right.
showed the camera on me. It's Tommy. Here's Tommy right here. Say hi, Tommy.
This
Aw.
reminds me of one of those episodes. What's it called again? It's actually not an episode. It's like a scary movie of episodes or something.
Tommy, say hi to the camera. Hey, guys.
It's like,
Oh, you're so cute.
this is like Monsters, Inc.
Bye,
What if a
guys.
monster comes out of the forest?
Dad, there's no monsters alive.
Ooh,
You're so silly.
Tommy. It's gonna be a monster.
I
They're making pooping noises. They don't got any more diapers. Oh no. I ain't cleaning that out. He's gonna have to wear a leaf all day then. A leaf dress. I'll make him wear it. I'll make him.
And this is where everybody was getting like silent and stuff. It showed everybody what they were doing in a circle. And my girl was playing with Tommy.
Are you gonna hurt Tommy in there or something?
No, he looks fine. Tommy, get out.
1 hour later.
And they were all asleep in their tents.
Well, I better hit the hay. We don't have no hay in here.
No, that means...
In a different way.
He said, who has Tommy?
Who is Tommy?
Me, I'm sleeping with him tonight.
I'm gonna go
Dad,
in
why are you in
bed.
the twins' tent?
Oh god, it smells like perfume in here. Ugh. Going in, dog man.
Yay! Buddy, come on. It's dark in here. Yeah, I fun.
No.
Look. What? Why? So the family is just like trying to take a sleeping trip right now. So I had to do it. So
I know. No, don't ruin it. Sorry, fish. Okay, where were we? Oh, yeah. It's dark in here. Why is everything in there? Well, which tent do I go in? You sleep on the grass, Sammy.
you can go in mine.
Talking to the man who likes Dog Man.
Sammy, you could sleep in mine. I'll just sleep in the poison ivy.
What? No, it's fine. You can
Don't worry, I have an extra big tent for all of us.
Whoa. Cool, Mom. Can we go in that tent?
Sure.
Can I? No.
Everybody can. It's
Only me and Mom's.
yeah.
Not you guys. Because you guys are bullies.
Except for the twins.
Well, they're not bullies, but...
Come on, Sammy, get in. I will, Mom.
All through the night, kids and something were sleeping.
Where's Tom?
And there was one thing that David has said and has came to life.
Which one should I stare?
Yeah. Well, there's so many. Oh, look, they got a camera. Hi, YouTube. Well, there is so many. Maybe I could just steal all of them. There's a foot, baby feet. I'll steal the baby foot. I'll steal this man's foot. He doesn't even take his shoes off.
He said that's one.
And I was the first one to wake up, because I had to wake up my whole family. But Sammy woke up too. I'm awake, guys. Where's Daddy? I don't know where Dad is. He's been missing this morning. Sammy, I need your help finding him. Tommy, go play. The girls can keep sleeping. Yeah. So can Mom. Actually, no. We need Mom's help for this.
Mom, wake up.
Don't wake me up.
Dad's missing.
Wait, what? My baby. Mom, your glasses.
Guys, our dad is missing and we need help. Can you guys help us find him?
That's what Dora the Explorer does.
Who cares? We need help finding Dad.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Where should we find him? Give us back our dad. Come on. Dad, wake up.
This is what happened.
What the heck?
What the heck?
Get that monster out of here. Dad, you were just stolen.
I know.
We were scared.
She taped my mouth. Night.
No, wake up.
This is dangerous.
Yeah, one of us gets stolen again. Like, where are the kids?
I was so
Well, guys,
scared.
that was so scary. I was so scared because I do love my dad and I don't want him to die. I'm ready, but I'm 16 years old.
Okay. Who cares? Bye, guys.